Welcome back to Top 5 Tech, where we bring you the most fascinating, cutting-edge gadgets you can buy right now. Today we're taking you to new heights as we count down the top 5 most expensive drones on Amazon in 2025. From advanced cinematic rigs to industrial-grade aerial platforms. These are the drones that professionals, creators, and prosumers dream about. If you love high-end aerial tech, hit like and subscribe and let's take off. Number 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Drone Combo. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Drone Combo, one of the most powerful consumer-grade drones available on Amazon today. This flagship model delivers a 100 megapixels Hasselblad-equipped triple camera system that lets you capture stunning aerial photos in 6K, 60 FPS HDR video with incredible dynamic range, vivid colors, and cinematic detail. The triple camera setup makes it versatile for both sweeping wide landscape shots and telephoto aerial performance, dramatically expanding your creative options. Thanks to up to 51 minutes of flight time and 30 kilometers long-range 04+ video transmission, this drone stays in the air longer and keeps you connected even at extended distances. A must for professional cinematographers and serious drone enthusiasts alike. Whether you're shooting films, commercial content, or breathtaking nature footage, the Mavic 4 Pro blends raw imaging power with intuitive flight control, perfect for ambitious creators. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo. At number 4 we've got the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, a professional-level aerial imaging platform that pushes capability even further. This drone is legendary for its triple Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera system, delivering rich color science and detailed visuals typically found in cinema-grade setups. With an impressive 43-minute flight time and advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the Mavic 3 Pro remains a favorite of filmmakers and photographers who want pro-grade performance without moving into enterprise-grade pricing. The Fly More combo expands your battery life and accessories, making this a complete aerial studio in the sky. Number 3. Anzu Raptor T Enterprise Drone with Thermal Imaging. At number 3, we've upgraded to something built for serious professionals, the Anzu Raptor T Enterprise Drone with Thermal Imaging. This drone is not just about high-quality photography, it's engineered for thermal inspections, search and rescue missions, power line and pipeline monitoring, and professional industrial workflows. The thermal sensor gives you clear heat signature visuals that help detect faults, hotspots, or anomalies invisible to standard cameras. Add in robust flight capabilities and enterprise-grade build quality, and this drone becomes an indispensable tool for serious applications. Whether you're in energy, construction, or emergency response, the Anzu Raptor T combines precision with power. Number 2. Autel Evo 2 Dual 640T Enterprise V3. Our runner-up is the Autel Evo 2 Dual 640T Enterprise V3, a drone designed for professionals who need dual sensors in a single platform. You get a thermal imaging camera paired with a high-resolution visible light sensor, letting you switch seamlessly between detailed optical footage and thermal diagnostics. This makes it ideal for inspecting electrical grids, roofs, infrastructure projects, and even wildfire support. With outstanding 42 minutes of flight time and 15 kilometers transmission range, this drone delivers both performance and data, essential for enterprise-level drone operations. Built for efficiency and reliability, this unit bridges the gap between photography drones and industrial inspection platforms. Number 1. DJI P4 Multispectral Agriculture Drone. Topping our list as the most expensive drone on Amazon is the DJI P4 Multispectral Agriculture Drone, a specialized aircraft designed for precision farming, environmental monitoring, and advanced crop analysis. Unlike most drones focused on photography, this one uses multispectral sensors that capture data across multiple wavelengths. This technology enables detailed insights into plant health, soil conditions, and crop stress, helping farmers, researchers, and agronomists make intelligent decisions at scale. It's a professional tool with a price tag that matches its capabilities, and it's one of the most advanced drones you can buy today. The P4 Multispectral combines cutting-edge imaging with enterprise-ready software, perfect for agricultural professionals and scientists alike. There you have it, the top 5 most expensive drones on Amazon in 2025. From cinematic aerial creators to industrial thermal rigs and agricultural data harvesters, this list highlights some of the most advanced UAV technology available today. Remember, price and availability can shift, so check the links below for the latest. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more exclusive tech reviews coming soon.